I'm here at Museo di Roma. So this museum was established in the 1930s and moved to this Palazzo Braschi in the 1950s. So the palazzo was commissioned by Pope Pius VI for his nephew, Luigi Braschi Onesti, and completed in the 19th century. The museum's collection includes paintings, prints, photographs, ceramics, and costumes, offering a snapshot of Roman life in the Middle Ages through the 19th century. It focuses on daily life, traditions, and urban change from market scenes and festivals to the transformation of neighborhoods and architecture. Among its most fascinating pieces are 18th and 19th century paintings showing Rome before modern traffic and tourism, when oxen still pulled carts through Piazza Navona. The museum's windows and balconies overlook Piazza Navona, giving visitors one of the most beautiful and quiet perspectives of the square. Several rooms still preserve original neoclassical frescoes, chandeliers, and stucco from the Braschi family's residence. The museum is especially useful for people who want to understand how modern Rome evolved, especially after the unification of Italy in the 19th century. I hope you enjoyed Museo di Roma